Hi there, friends, and welcome back to Aging Strong. Today we're testing out my new air fryer to see if it can make a crispy, delicious sweet potato that's in here. It's a snack without the guilt, but there's a twist. While the sweet potato is cooking, we're going to move our bodies with a quick 5BX60 workout. So by the time this is all done, we'll have earned every tasty bite. Sound good? Let's go. Oh, and if you're new here, my name is Andy. I help folks over 60 stay strong, independent, and full of energy. And if that sounds like something that you need more of, hit that subscribe button and just stick around. Hey there, Aging Strong. Today we're keeping things simple but effective. This move is all about flexibility, balance, and keeping your spine feeling young. So we're going to start with a standing toe touch and begin with our ankles crossed over on the mat here. And then we're going to finish with some front, back, and side stretches. Does that sound good? Let's get started. Okay, step one is we're going to cross our right ankle over the left and now take a deep breath. In as you exhale, slowly bend forward from the hips, reaching for those toes. And don't worry if you can't touch them, just go as far as it feels good. You feel that? That's your hamstrings, and that's your lower back saying, well, thank you. Now, slowly roll back, stand tall. Now let's switch ankles. Let's go left over right, and we'll just do it again. Now we're going to have some fun. This is going to be the fun part. Let's stretch that spine. First, put your hands on your hips and gently lean back for a nice front stretch. Oh, it feels so good. Nothing dramatic, just a little bit of an arch. That's a great way also to reduce stress and just get more limber. Now we're going to do a side stretch. So we'll take our feet, our legs, and put them together. We're going to lean to the left and hold it. And now to the right. Your spine loves movement. So let's keep it happy. We always want to do that, and flexibility, of course, keeps us moving well for years to come. So how's that air fryer doing? Let's check it out. Halfway through, it looks pretty good, but not quite ready. A few more minutes, so let's sneak in another round. All right, team, core strength time. A strong core helps with balance, posture, and even back pain. Today, we're doing sit-ups, but don't worry, I've got an easier version too ready. So let's go. So step one, we're going to put our hands behind our ears as we sit on the mat or crossed over your chest. Now, deep breathe in and exhale as you lift your chest toward your knees. Keep it smooth and controlled. So is that too intense? No problem. Try this crunch instead. Just lift your shoulders a few inches off the mat and then back down. The same core activation, just easier. Start with 5 or 10 reps and then work your way up. Strong core, better movement. That's the goal. Just keep practicing. All right, Aging Strong Squad. This one's called the Superman because you'll be flying through the years with a strong back and leg muscles. And this move is great for posture, core strength, and keeping your lower back happy. So let's do it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to lie face down with our arms outstretched and our legs are going to be straight. Now we're going to lift our arms and our chest a little bit off the ground and hold for about 3 seconds. Not too hard. Feel that? That's your back and your legs getting stronger. Do about 5 or 10 reps, and your posture will thank you. Let's just remember to keep moving. Time now to build some upper body strength with push-ups. They're one of the best exercises for keeping our arms, our chest, and our core strong. But don't worry, I've got an easier version too. So it's back to the mat, and we're going to start in a high plank position with our hands under our shoulders. We're lowering ourselves down, keeping our elbows at about 45-degree angle, and then push back up smoothly and controlled. Is it too much? No problem. Drop your knees and do the same motion. There's less stress on the joints, same great benefits. You know, upper body strength helps with just everything, from lifting groceries to getting up off the floor. Just keep practicing and keep aging strong. All right, let's see what we've got in here. Oh yeah, crispy, golden, and ready to eat. Let's give it a try. So good. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, just the right amount of sweetness, a perfect post-workout fuel. And there you have it. A little movement, a little cooking, and a whole lot of fun. If you like this, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite air fryer snack? And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next adventure. Let's keep moving. Let's keep eating well and keep aging strong. See you next time.